So kung mapapansin nyo guys, nakalock na yung ating profile. At ang ginamit kong method sa paglalak ng aking Facebook profile ay yung old method, which is hindi na natin magagamit ngayon kasi nga nag-update na si Facebook. Hello guys, this is Charm and welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial ay ituturo ko sa inyo yung updated version kung papaano ninyo maiilak ang inyong Facebook profile. Since nag-update si Facebook, hindi na natin magagamit yung old method para mailak ang ating Facebook profile. Ang method na ito ay pansamantala muna nating gagamitin habang hindi pa available ang feature na ito sa ating bansa. Mahalagang mailak natin ang ating Facebook profile upang makaiwas tayo sa mga stalkers, hackers, at upang masecure ang ating Facebook account. Okay, so start na tayo guys. So punta lang tayo dito sa ating Facebook app. Tap lang natin. Okay, siguraduhin naka-login kayo. Then, punta tayo sa ating profile. Click lang natin yan. Then, dito sa taas, meron kayong makikitang tatlong dots. So, dito sa may edit profile. So, click lang natin itong tatlong dots. Okay, so mapupunta kayo dito. Hahanapin nyo lang guys yung view privacy shortcuts. So, click nyo lang yan guys. Okay, so next, click nyo tong take a privacy check-up. Okay. So, dito, meron tayong mga isiset. So, una, click natin tong who can see what you share. Okay, so, just click on that. Then, continue. Just click continue. Okay, so, yan. Ito yung makikita nyo. Profile information nyo. So, itong profile information nyo, itong number nyo, kailangan nakaset siya ng only me. Same with your email. Dapat naka-only me yan. So, itong inyong birthday, so, optional yan guys. Pwedeng only me, pwedeng friends, or friends of friends. So, same with the year. So, optional lang yan guys. Then, hometown, dapat naka-only me. Then, relationship, only me. Set nyo lang as only me. Same with the current city. And, friends and following. Who can see your friends list on your profile. So, dapat guys, naka-only me siya. And, who can see the people pages and list you follow. Okay, so, dapat naka-only me. Okay, so, only me lang natin yan, guys. So, after nun, just click next. Okay, so, next, you decide who you want to see your post and stories. So, dito sa future post, choose who you'd like to see your future post. That audience will be who can see your post until you change it. So, you can always change it when you make a new post. So, dito guys, set nyo lang siya as friends. And, itong stories, friends din. And, itong limit past post. So, kailangan itong i-click. So, just click on limit. Then, click again. Okay. So, that's good. Then, just click next again. So, dito makikita nyo tong blacklist. Since wala naman akong naka-block, so, wala tayong babaguhin dyan. So, just click next again. And, review another topic. You're all set. Next is how people can find you on Facebook. So, just click continue. So, dito, You're in control of who can send you friend requests. So, okay. So, yan yung pagpipilian nyo. Dapat naka-friends of friends siya. So, hindi dapat naka-everyone. Okay, then, just click next again. Choose who can look you up by your phone number and email address. So, dapat dito guys, naka-only me. And yung email nyo also, dapat naka-only me. Set nyo lang siya as only me. And that's okay. Then, click next. Okay, so dito guys, search engines like Google can link to your profile to help people find you more easily. So, kailangan i-on natin to guys. Okay. So, just click next. And you're all set. So, review another topic. Next is how to keep your account secure. Click on that. So, just click continue again. And you just need to turn on alerts. Okay. Lahat to. I-all lang natin to. Will send you Facebook notification. Okay, so that's it. Then, click next again. Is your password private? Okay, so since naka-private naman yung password natin, wala na tayong dapat baguhin dyan guys. So, we can click on skip. And add an extra layer of security to your account. Okay, so naka 2-factor authentication ba kayo guys? So, siguro naman, di ba? Kasi para iwas tayo sa mga hacker. Okay, so if okay na yan, just click skip. If not naman, so pwede nyo namang i-click itong get started. Okay, so since eto, yan, authentication app like Google, and then itong isa, text message. So, ako kasi ginagamit ko yung authentication app. So, papakita ko sa inyo guys kung anong itsura niya. Okay, so ito yung authenticator. So, i-click nyo lang yan guys. Then, yan. Ganyan yung kanyang itsura. So, i-add nyo lang yung account nyo dun. Sa next na vlog, ipapakita ko kung paano mag-add o gamitin yung authentication app. So, pwede din tong text message. Pwede siyang gamitin para once na may nag-login, makaka-receive kayo ng code. Ibig sabihin, pag naka-receive kayo ng code, may ibang taong gumagamit or may ibang taong gustong mag-hack ng inyong Facebook. So, kailangan secure. Okay, so let's just click skip and you're all set. Okay, so review another topic. So, yun lang naman guys, yung tatlo lang na yun yung inyong kailangang iset. Itong your ad preferences on Facebook, hindi na natin kailangan. Same with this, your data settings on Facebook. So, ganun lang guys kadali. So, titingnan natin kung ano magiging itsura ng ating Facebook. Check natin if nakalock na yung ating Facebook. Okay, so yan guys. Punta lang tayo dito ulit sa edit profile, then view as. So yan, para makita natin kung ano ba yung itsura ng Facebook natin kapag naka-private or naka-lock. Sorry. So yan, eto guys. So pag ganyan yung lumabas, ibig sabihin naka-lock na yung ating profile. So ganito na yung bagong paglalak ng profile. Yung bagong method ni Facebook. So, yan guys. Ganyan yung itsura. Okay, wala silang makikita mga past post. Ito lang. And, hindi rin nila makukuha yung mga pictures mo o magagrab yung mga pictures mo. So, mapapansin nyo guys, walang nakalagay dyan na your profile is locked kasi nga hindi pa available sa country natin yung paglalak. But still, secure pa rin ang inyong Facebook gamit yung method na ginawa natin kanina. So, that's all for today guys. I hope you learned something from me and please don't forget to like and subscribe and pakiclick na rin yung notification bell para updated kayo once na nag-upload tayo ng bagong video. Thanks for watching!